ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, if you watched yesterday's Facebook page, if you watched yesterday's Instagram page, you'll see that we had a new acquisition, a new purchase from GTomega. It's down there, and a number of you are asking what it is. Well, we're going to take a look. Somebody done unboxing, we're going to go through it, we're going to pick it all out and see what it is. We'll do the assembly. I've got a camera set up just over here, and we'll watch what it is, and I'll talk you through it at salient points. Let's crack on. For those of you that hadn't guessed, some of you thought, I guess, you thought it was a part of a race rig. It's actually a new office chair because I broke mine last week, and it is what it will be. How is this packed? Oh, arms. There's arms. The question is, what chair is it? Do we need them? Good question. Pretty much identical to the chair that came for the rig itself. What colour? The red to red. As with everything from GTomega, everything is always nicely packed, nicely detailed. It's the first time I've had a real printed manual though for the assembly of an item. So it really is only the first couple of pages. Assemble the chair together. Don't adjust anything, just assemble it as it comes. Lean it forward, put the arms on, put the base on, do the bottom. Relatively easy. matter of, what was it, 4 screws to hold the back to the sides, and then just some plastic covers, relatively straightforward. Now, one slight tricky thing is fixing these screws. They like to go in a little bit cross-threaded, so I would always recommend just giving them a twist with your hand rather than straight in with the driver, and make sure they're squared straight off. That's the actual arms gone on. It does recommend in the instructions you keep it face down, so as you can see the arms are fitted. I fitted them extra wide for me because, yeah, I'm a wide kind of guy. And next we're on to the power unit for the base, the actual lifting mechanism, so let's get that unboxed and get it fitted. That's the base unit fitted. So this is the lifting mechanism really. You've got the handle here on the right hand side which allows you to lift and raise the seat. The key part is to put the sprung element, the bit with the tensioner, to the front of the seat. There's only 4 screws to fit, 2 at the front, 2 at the bottom, and it's relatively straightforward to screw in onto the actual wheels and the base. And there we have it, 5 wheels inserted into the bottom. The casters, now they're really chunky. They are a real nice piece of equipment. They are really quite solid and robust. I think that's going to roll really well. A little bit better than my old seat, I must admit. So we've got piston inserted into the base. Let's fit the chair. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is one GTomega Pro 2.0 seat, all fitted and assembled. I feel dizzy. Best stop. That's it. Slides around really quite nicely. Now the lighting probably wasn't the best because it was corner units and I was down actually by the base of the lights, and this light's a bit orange. But as you can see, the old GTomega chair is all done. There's just a couple of tiny bits left to go. And there we have it with the seat cushion and the neck cushion, all 100% assembled in just a smidge over 30 minutes, which wasn't bad considering I wasn't rushing, taking my time, stopping to take cuts. Really decent effort, and no mess either, just a couple of cardboard boxes to get rid of. And there you have it. Really, really, really nice, comfortable seat. There you have it, folks. Get yourself one. There's nothing like the time right now. It's currently the Black Friday sales, and you'll find these with a healthy discount. And if you add the discount code WIDDOW, W-I-D-D-O-W, you can get yourself one. A very nice little chair. Thank you very much for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one. All the best. Take care.